All right, everybody, we made it. It has been it's been a week. Man, timing belt broke this week. Brake calipers decided they didn't want to play nice. The oil pump gear left the chat. It has been a really tough week, but we're here. We've made it to the first event for the 928, and man, I am exhausted and elated. So let's check out the ride. Show you guys the car. So here we go. The big news is the second time I took it out. The 928 made it. Made it 40 miles. I didn't want to restart. Still need some tuning. I'm kind of like in over my head a bit and I'm exhausted. So as long as the car starts and makes it home, it's done its job for the week. So I'm going to sleep good tonight. I'll tell you that. But I got a couple hours here at this event put on by Avants. It's called Colours, and the weather is like Pacific Northwest perfect today. Like I don't even understand how we ended up with, like, if you look at the forecast, it's like rain for like the next 7 to 10 days, and this is like perfect. Like no, like this it just doesn't get better. So let's relax. But hey, let's check out some of the cool rides here, and let's enjoy the event. So here we go. Like, definitely got cool guy parking today. Got some cool neighbors here. 951. Little RS America action. Skyline GTR. You guys have you've all seen this one. Little Diablo. And of course, this thing is super rad. Volvo wagon BMW V8 in it. That's pretty sweet. A lot of nice work inside this rig too. All right, so there you go. Kind of a quick overview of colors. You got to see the wheels. You got to see the 928. I am frazzled. I'm ready for a break, and that's what I'm taking. Putting the camera down, and I'm gonna go check out some cars and enjoy the event. So that's it from Throttle Grotto. Until next time, get out there and work on something.